Okay, so you pull the steering wheel, 2 bolts on top, and you gotta get the bolt out of this clamp, which is holding the rest of the lock cylinder. And right here is a button that you will push. And then that wiggles loose. And I'll start this back up after I figure out how the rest of it comes out. Okay, so you take the key out, rotate the lock cylinder, I need both hands to do it, but it will come off that way. And then weasel everything back together. So yeah, that big plug comes off the back first. Get this clamp. You will take the bolt. I mean, really, I guess you probably just have to loosen it, but I couldn't find that hole. So the hole is a little bit past the clamp. And actually was not as difficult as I thought. Bolt is a 22 millimeter or 7/8. I loosened the stuff at the bottom, and I guess it probably helped a little bit. So just the 4 bolts around the base. I undid this clamp bolt too, but I don't think that really did me any good. But guess it can't hurt to really have a little extra movement here. Other side of the firewall, you shouldn't have to do anything.